Here we have a table. Estimate the value of x when y is equal to 20 using the following data. Okay. So here a table is given. In table, certain information is given. So using that values in the table, you have to estimate x value when y is 20. So when x is so y is 20, we have to identify x value here. So here which regression equation we have to take? Is it x on y or y on x? First question before going to the table. So here x on y or y on x. Okay, I repeat. Y is 20. Value of y is equal to 20. We have to find x value. So here which equation? Is it x on y or y on x? So who will answer? Is it x on y or y on x? Here y value is given. With help of y we are going to identify x value. So x is dependent on value of x is dependent on y here. So it takes regression equation x on y to identify value of x here. X on y. Now what are the table values? What values they have given? So here mean and the standard deviation for x values and for y values. So this table will be given here. Mean of x is 25 and mean of y is 30. Standard deviation of x is 5 and standard deviation of y is 4. And along with this, always there will be one more information without which we cannot calculate anything here. That is correlation coefficient. R is equal to 0.8. R is equal to 0.8. Now using this data, we have to calculate now the required things to estimate x value. Okay, so now here x on y, that is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into bracket y minus y bar. So that means here bxy we have to calculate. X bar is there here, mean of x bar, and y bar, mean of y value is y bar. For our standard deviation, we don't need them here, but to find bxy and byx, we need both here. So here, bxy is equal to correlation into sigma x divided by sigma y, or sigma x divided by sigma y. So here, bxy is equal to r is 0.8, 0.8 into sigma x is 5 divided by sigma y is 4. So bxy 8 into 5 divided by 4. So 0.8 into 5 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So here bxy is 1. We need bxy and fill the values in the x on y equation. X minus x bar. X bar is 25 is equal to bxy. Bxy is 1 into bracket y minus y bar. Y minus y bar is 30. Okay, so x is equal to 1 into y is y minus 1 into 30 is 30 minus 25. Take that opposite side. So minus 25 becomes plus 25. So x is equal to y minus 30 plus 25. So here opposite sign, deduct them from each other and put the sign of big number, that is minus 5. So x is equal to y minus 5. Now, this is the equation of x on y, with help of which we can estimate the value of x now. So, what value they have given? X when y is equal to 20. So, fill that 20 in this equation. X is equal to 20 minus 5. So, x is equal to 15. So, for this problem, value of x when y is 20 is 15. From the following data regarding the amount of rainfall, that is denoted as x, rainfall x, and the production of rice, it is denoted as y. So rainfall as x and rice as y. Find the most likely production corresponding to the rainfall of 40 centimeter. And value is given here. Okay. Mean and variance. Rainfall and production of rice. Okay. So mean of rainfall is 35 and mean of production of rice is 50. In quintals it is, and rainfall in centimeters. Variance is 25 and production is 64. And correlation R is equal to 0.8. So here rainfall is given as X and production of rice is given as Y. Rainfall they have given as a 40 centimeter. When rainfall is 40 centimeter, find production of rice. So when rainfall is 40 centimeter, how much rice they can produce? This is the first question. And second question, to produce rice 60 quintals, how much rainfall is required? So first question, if rainfall is 40 centimeter, what would be the production of rice? And second question, to produce 60 quintals of rice, how much rainfall is required? So here, for both the questions, which takes x on y and which question takes y on x here? When rainfall is denoted as x and production is denoted as y here. Okay. So come to the first question. Here rainfall is given. Rainfall is x. So x is given here. We have to identify y. So here y is dependent on x. So first question takes here equation of y on x. And second equation, rice production is given. That is y is given. We have to estimate x. So x is dependent on y now. So here it takes x on y equation. So to find both, we have to estimate first what? Bxy and Byx. So Bxy is equal to R into sigma x divided by sigma y. Here they have given variance. Variance is nothing but square of standard deviation, that is sigma. So they have given here sigma square. Find the sigma value for both here. So 25 root of 25 is 5 and root of 64 is 8. So here 0.8 into 5 divided by 8. So that is bxy is equal to 0.5, and similarly byx is equal to r into sigma y divided by sigma x, that is 0.8 into 8 divided by 5. Okay, so byx is equal to how much? That is zero point 0.8 into 8 divided by 5, 1.28. 1.28. Okay, now first equation, x on y, sorry, we'll find first y on x. Y on x, that is y minus y bar, is equal to byx into bracket x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is 50, is equal to byx. Byx is 1.28 into bracket x minus x bar. X bar is 35. So y minus 50 is equal to 1.28 into x is 1.28x minus 1.28 into 35. 1.28 into 35, that is 44.8. 44.8. Now send this 50 that side. So y is equal to minus 50 becomes plus 50 there. 1.28x minus 44.8 plus 50. So again there is an opposite sign here. Deduct them from each other and put the sign of bigger number, that is posterior. So 50 minus 44.8 is 1.28x plus 5.2. So regression equation y on x is 1.28x plus 5.2. Now second regression equation, x on y, that is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into bracket y minus y bar. So x minus x bar is 35 is equal to bxy. Bxy is 0.5 into bracket y minus y bar. Y bar is 50. So x minus 35 is equal to 0.5 into y is 0.5y minus 0.5 into 50 is 25. So x minus 30, x is equal to send 35 that side, 0.5y minus 25. So minus 35 becomes plus 35. So here x is equal to 0.5y plus 5, plus 10. That is 35 minus 25 is 10. So regression equation x on y is 0.5y plus 10. Now find the value of x and y. So first question here, rainfall is 40 centimeter. Find rice, production of rice, that is y on x equation. So y on x equation is here. Okay, so find that when x is equal to 40. So find y, that is y is equal to 1.28 into the x value is 40 plus 5.2. So y is equal to 1.28 into 40. 1.28 into 40 is equal to 51.2 plus 5.2. So y is equal to 56.4. 56.4. That is when the rainfall is 40 centimeter, the production of rice is 56.4 quintals, as it is given in quintals here. So when the rainfall is 40 centimeter, value of rice production is 56.4 quintals. Similarly, second question, that is when rice 60, that is the value of y is 60, what would be the value of x? To find that, use the equation of x on y. The second question, rice is 60, that is value of y is 60, so 0.5 into 60, that is 30, 30 plus 10, so x is 40. So to produce 60 quintals of rice, required rainfall is 40 centimeter. If r is equal to 0.8 and bxy is equal to 0.75, find byx. So how to find byx here? To find byx, go for correlation formula using regression coefficients. That is, r is equal to plus or minus root of bxy into byx. So r value we know, that is 0.8 is equal to plus or minus. Here correlation is positive. Correlation is positive means both bxy and byx will be positive. So similarly we have bxy is positive here, that means byx is also positive. So no need to write them here again. So bxy, that is 0.75 into byx. So there is a root here. If you open the root, then only we can do something. So square both the side. Square both the side, or else take this root opposite side. So it will become here, when we square this, so square both sides. When we square both sides, so square of root will be the same value again. The root will go, root hogibidutte. So 0.8 square. 0.8 square is 0.8 square is equal to 0.75 into byx. So 0.8 square, 0.64 is equal to 0.75 into byx. Now we want byx value. So to find byx value, send 0.75 other side. So there is a multiplication sign here. When it go other side, it becomes divided by. So byx is equal to 0.64 divided by 0.75. So byx is equal to, so 0.64 divided by 0.75, that is 0.8533, approximately is equal to 0.85. So the value of byx is 0.85. Such questions you will get for 2 marks.